Yeah, I think that if I could get that out, stuff like that. Yeah, so let me see if I can set the gate. So I'm just going to loop it around. You see right now it's getting the, but it's not getting this guy. All right, so now that we've got the exact threshold, now we can start making it prettier by loosening up on the attack time just a little bit. See, even that little bit makes it better. I'm going to pull this over here and find another spot. We'll bypass it, find another spot. Let's see what it does to this. Okay, still caught that. That's good. Bypass it again. Okay, this guy right here, that's what I'm trying to get rid of. So let's see what that sounds like through there. It helps. It definitely helps. So we'll pull the range down just a little bit. All right, cool. I feel like that's a success. So we'll move on.